how to fix you're using more battery today than usually do. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check battery usage stats. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery. Here, scroll down to see the battery uses by app chart. You can look for unusual background activity or apps with abnormally high screen on or screen off time or system services hogging energy. The next fix is you can go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, and this also clears temporary system logs that may be looping battery processes. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Go ahead and update your device if the device requires any new update. Also, in General again, tap on Background App Refresh and then set it to off, or you can also set it to Wi-Fi only. Or you can selectively turn off for apps like Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, or TikTok. In Settings again, tap on Privacy and Security, and then on Location Services, and then on Location Services again, and make sure it is off. Or you can also scroll through the apps and switch to while using or never for non-essentials. And lastly, scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and enable low power mode on your device. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix you are using more battery than you normally do. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.